What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Haven't uploaded in 6 months already. I hope you enjoyed this video in another collaboration with Queso Robert. Say hi, Queso.
The hell you mean, Queso? But
Nah,
yo,
it's a Big Robert. Nah, his name is Big Robert.
yeah.
Say hi, bro.
So what's the already fine? Hi, BBGs.
Hi, Baba Grill. Okay, so the point of our video today is,
Okay.
is the goal of the video is to survive at least one game for 5 minutes. If we manage to,
Oh,
we win the challenge. But if we don't, then we suicide. No, I'm just kidding. I don't want. Please, for YouTube, do not give me demonetization. Okay, let's spin the wheel. Let's spin the wheel of death.
I
Bro,
but like you will the
you're not
suicide.
gonna like this, bro. Bro, are you okay with the game Bed Wars or should we re-roll? I don't think you know how to play Bed Wars.
Yeah, I'm fine with Bed Wars.
What? If you don't, sir. Bro, we're definitely gonna die in the first second of the game. Okay, bro, I'll
Yes,
join you.
sir.
I'll join you. Plus, guys, don't
Okay.
ask me why my profile pic looks like a porn star.
Okay, wait. Public or private?
Public, bro. Public.
Okay.
We're gonna team up. We're gonna team up, bro. The thing is, if
Bet.
one of us dies, even though one of us survives, but the other one dies, we still lose the challenge.
Okay.
So it's gonna be
Time
a
to
tough
clutch
one.
up. Time to clutch up. Time to go beast mode.
Sailor Moon! Please, bro. So don't call me guy. Let me just join you. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna join you.
Bet.
Bro, does Stanley play Mobile Legends?
I don't think so. Maybe before. I don't think now. He
He
does.
said he said he actually
He
played
does
Mobile
play.
Legends.
But he does play Albion Online. Is an MMORPG.
Oh my god.
I seriously don't know why he could decided to play that game out
I
of
bet
nowhere.
I literally bet my viewers is either an 8-year-old or a fucking 70-year-old still watching YouTube. Okay, invite me to your party. I'm right behind your ass. Oh my
Hell no. Wait. What?
god. Gawk wasp. Gawk.
What?
Bro, we
Hell
just
no.
need to survive 5 minutes. We're so bad at the game and yet you're
Okay.
level 3.
Okay.
Bro,
What
are
what
you
do we
sure,
do? What do
bro?
we do?
You
Classic
can
or
still
Lucky
take
Block?
back, bro. You can still take back. Do you wanna re-roll or do you want to to stay in this game?
Stay in this game, bro.
What?
Okay.
Okay
What
na,
do we
bro.
do? What do you want?
Go to Lucky
What do you
Blocks.
want? Lucky Block or Classic?
Lucky Blocks, bro.
Okay. Um.
This is gonna be
Okay.
so bad.
Okay.
We just need 5 minutes, bro. Five
I
minutes.
will
This game takes 20 minutes.
I will die, but after the 5 minutes. Yes, sir.
If we win the Bed Wars game, I'm gonna give you 5 Robux. I have 66 Robux pending, so I can give you I can give you 5 Robux.
Yo, I would have 6 Robux after that. Yes, sir.
No, bro, you don't understand. It's please donate.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot. So they're gonna take my money. Yes, sir. Sir.
Roblox is literally a scammer.
Yeah. Ah. Why the hell aren't we loading in yet?
Yeah. Oh my god, we're fucking lagging. Yeah, there we go.
Finally. Mm.
Bro, what is your quote for today?
Never back down, never give up, yes sir. I can't think of anything on the top of my head.
My quote to our Chinese viewers sa amin ng West Philippine Sea. Woody. Bro, we're not gonna survive. It's the
Wait,
two of us, bro.
crap.
It's the two of us. Bro, you know what? I'm gonna change the goal. If we in 3 games, we are gonna join 3 games. But the thing is, if we die in like 2 games, if we die in this game, we still have a chance. Like if we run out of games, then I guess you're not gonna get the Robux.
Oh, okay. Uh, Oh, that's upgrade.
Let me just get this.
How much is it?
Never mind.
Oh
I'm an
crap, that's
idiot.
50.
Oh shit. I literally forgot how to play this game. Me and my friend used to play this.
I I I I have a kind of advantage because like I just played this with rest like a few like a few days ago or like weeks ago.
I played this months ago.
Damn.
We need obsidian to defend the base.
Yeah,
Bro,
yeah,
don't
yeah, wait.
craft
How
armor
much is
first,
it?
bro. Craft the blocks.
Oh
If
crap,
our
yeah.
bed gets destroyed, we're definitely gonna get destroyed as well. Bro, keep
But
in
I
mind
need armor so I
keep in
don't die
mind if
immediately.
one of us dies, the other one loses as well. So it means we have to join another game.
Yeah. But at least I won't die instantly if I yes. If I yes.
The grand prize of Robert here is 5 Robux. So what kind of I'm gonna get better blocks. Never mind. Hey, Big Robert, you still there?
Yeah.
Okay. This is basically like the rip-off of Minecraft. I mean, this is yeah. This is basically a rip-off.
Yeah,
Where
yeah,
did
yeah,
I
it is. Oh
buy
shit.
this?
Oh shit. Okay, wait.
What the
I'm
fuck
gonna
is
buy a
this?
lot of wool. I have so much wool.
Bro, fine. I'll be the one who collects the gems and kills some people and stuff. I'm gonna need TNT. Fuck, I fell.
Oh,
I am so bad at this game, bro. I haven't played this in months.
I am worse, even though I played this more more recently than you.
Of course, my sword
I have
turned
such a
into
slow.
brown. My sword literally turned into brown, and I hate black.
Hey yo, chill out. You might get
Yeah,
I forgot. Is it?
demonetization, bro. Demonetization solos.
Oh yeah, I forgot this guy exists. Fight, 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 fight. Arbor,
Did you die?
you're easy. No,
Why
Arbor,
did I get a
Arbor.
rock? What the fuck was that?
Oh hell no, hell no, hell no, hell no, hell no.
Oh my god, you died. Bro, our fucking bed!
Oh crap. Oh,
No, fight him, fight him.
how many more minutes was that?
I don't know. Let's just get going.
Fine.
By the way,
We don't
guys,
care
if
anymore.
you're gay, don't watch my channel. Because the thing is, I'm homophobic.
Bro, speedrun on getting. I swear your next video is gonna be a speedrun of getting demonetized or like banned on YouTube.
Bro, I
Shit!
actually should make that. The fuck happened?
What?
Wait, I think it's
I
because
think.
of my bow. I think it's because of my bow. Wait, let me try this.
Oh my god, it was your boss. Stop!
Yeah, let's go, rainbow. Wait, I'm homophobic. No,
Bro, you're freaking destroying our own base, you Indian scammer!
I'm Zoe, daddy. Hey yo.
Hey, yo, chill out.
Chill out, my boy. Chill out. Chill out, my boy. Chill out. I'm gonna upgrade my sword. I'm gonna upgrade my sword into even worse. Your mo. Why is there no TNT in this block game? I
Oh
definitely
no.
feel I'm gonna get destroyed here.
You're talking, bro. I got destroyed earlier. I
My
didn't
God,
stand
it's
a
not near
chance with those
enough.
freaking
Bro, my testicles
dragon guys.
are not gonna explode. Cannot believe I'm literally a kid and yet I'm not a kid-friendly YouTuber.
Yeah, I wonder how the frick that happened.
Probably because I don't like gaming. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, no, you're practically speedrunning getting a ban at this point.
Yeah, I actually should do like laughability's idea, like speedrun banning in Roblox. Oh, I got diamonds. Let's go.
Ah, nice. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Our base is just a
Yeah, let's go. I
box.
killed someone. I killed someone. Let's go.
Nice, nice.
Let's go. I'm not racist anymore. Wait, what?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yo. Yes, sir. You kill and everybody and anybody you see in game, of course, in game.
Bro, why would you even build so high, bro? Wait, are
Huh?
you high? Are you high, my bro? Because if you're high, then I'm not high.
Think I
Ooh.
am. I think I am. I think I am. I think I am at this point. What the hell? What the hell?
Why do I even
I
have
think I
this
am.
iron pick?
What the
I
hell?
don't think you are high because if you're high, then you're high. I think I'm gonna unlock the iron era.
If I'm high, I say hi. Yes, sir.
Destruction, sure. I think bed defense matters. There we go.
I bet. Oh, who the hell tried to break our base? Look. I mean,
Bed
the
defense.
bed.
Bed defense.
Oh, lucky block. I wonder what are we gonna get. What the hell? Who the hell was that? Oh, oh crap! I think it's the guys that tried to kill me before.
How many obsidian? Oh my god, I need one
Oh my
emerald for
god.
one obsidian.
The hell is this? A large rock? Oh my god,
Take
our
your
base is
name.
getting
No!
attacked.
What the fuck?
Bro, I think these the guys were the guys that freaking killed me earlier. Oh,
Wait, we
the
basically survived 5 minutes of the game. So it means we win. Let's move on to the next game, shall we, Robert?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, wait.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
gonna end
The
the
first
video. Just watch the part 2, guys. I'm gonna end the video. Bye bye. I hope you enjoyed the video. And also, I'm not gay. Bye bye.